Now, first off, let me apologize. I know this video is very late. I have been having some hosting issues and some issues with the theme of my website lately. So I do apologize. I know this video was supposed to come out 2 weeks after I made part 1 of how to unlock the bootloader of the Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus. Sadly, because of the web hosting issues, I've been having to migrate the website from host to host. Now things are starting to settle down, and now I can finish this video series. However, if you've been watching the news lately, then you know Xiaomi has been a bit sketchy with the bootloader unlock process. In part 1 of the video and written article tutorial I did for this guide, I told you that the process takes 15 days after applying. Now again, this used to be instant, then it got bumped up to 3 days, then it got bumped up to 15 days, basically 2 weeks. Now we're seeing some reports of people having to wait over 2 months before they are finally allowed to unlock the bootloader of their Xiaomi device. Hopefully that's not going to be the case here, and if it is, then I'll upload the video and as proof that Xiaomi is still messing with their bootloader unlock process. So if you followed step 1, then you have created your Mi account. You've taken some time for it to verify that account. You've added your account to the phone. We did this in a couple of different areas. We have enabled the developer mode so that we can go in and tap on the Mi Unlock status option, which again, log in if we logged in, if we hadn't already in the past. And we made sure to add the account to this device. So now, assuming that we have waited the amount of time that Xiaomi wants us to wait, we are going to complete this bootloader unlock process by opening up the Mi Unlock application on Windows. So now we have the Mi Unlock application open, which has been downloaded directly from Xiaomi's website. And then naturally that link will be in the full tutorial, which will be linked in the video description. So it'll be on my website for those who have not been able to download the Mi Unlock application as of yet. You're going to see this disclaimer here. You can read through it and then click agree. And then from here we're going to need to log in to our Mi account. Now, whether or not you have the phone connected to the PC with your USB cable, you're going to be told that the phone is not connected, and that's because we need to enter bootloader mode, also known as Fastboot Mode. We do that by turning off the phone, then holding both the volume down and the power buttons at the same time. Continue holding those buttons, and then that's going to put us into what is called Fastboot Mode. Now the Xiaomi Mi Unlock application detects that our phone is connected to the PC with a USB cable. We're going to click on the unlock button. We're going to get this warning because, again, Xiaomi just wants to make sure that you know what you're getting into. Going to verify the device. And if you have waited long enough, you will get this unlocked successfully screen right here. Now all we have to do is tap on the reboot phone button, and that's going to restart our device, and then we can unplug the USB cable from the Redmi 5 or Redmi 5 Plus. So now, even though the Xiaomi Mi Unlock program has told us that we have finally unlocked the bootloader of the Redmi 5 or Redmi 5 Plus, we can double check this by going into the settings application. We're just going to scroll down a bit till we get to the additional settings option. And then we're going to go into developer options. And now the OEM unlocking option has been grayed out naturally. And that is because when we check the Mi Unlock status option, it is telling us that the phone is now unlocked. The bootloader of the Redmi 5 and the Redmi 5 Plus is now unlocked. And that is it. The worst part of this process is just waiting on Xiaomi to approve the bootloader unlock process. Hopefully you're not one of those that are stuck waiting 2 months or more. The typical typical time is, the last I've learned, is 15 days, so about 2 weeks. I know they're trying to do something with their new Poco brand, with the Poco F1, where you only have to wait 3 days. Hopefully that will go back to the Xiaomi devices as well, but for now, this is the official way to unlock the bootloader of the Xiaomi Redmi 5 and the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus.